Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Let's go. The 1987 United States 1-cent coin, commonly known as the 1987 Lincoln Memorial Penny, is a small but historically meaningful piece of American coinage. It belongs to the long-running Lincoln cent series that began in 1909, honoring the beloved 16th President of the United States, Abraham Lincoln. By 1987, the penny had already completed nearly 8 decades of continuous production, becoming a symbol of American history, economy, and cultural identity. The 1987 penny carries the classic design featuring Lincoln on the obverse and the Lincoln Memorial on the reverse, representing leadership, unity, and national memory. Although this coin is common in circulation, it remains an important collectible for coin enthusiasts, especially those who study mint variations, small errors, and composition history. The obverse side of the 1987 penny features the famous profile portrait of Abraham Lincoln, designed by Victor David Brenner in 1909. This portrait is one of the most iconic images in American numismatics and has been used longer than any other U.S. coin design. Above Lincoln's head is the motto, "In God We Trust," placed as a reminder of the nation's values. To the left of Lincoln is the word, liberty, symbolizing the core principle upon which the United States was founded. On the right side, next to Lincoln's shoulder, appears the date 1987, along with the mint mark if the coin was produced at the Denver Mint D. Coins minted in Philadelphia usually carry no mint mark. The sharpness of Lincoln's features, the spacing of the lettering, and the clarity of the date can all influence the desirability of the coin to collectors. The reverse side of the 1987 penny showcases the Lincoln Memorial, a design created by Frank Gasparro in 1959 to celebrate the 150th birth anniversary of Abraham Lincoln. This reverse design replaced the original wheat ears that were used from 1909 to 1958. The Lincoln Memorial is engraved with remarkable detail. If you look closely, you can even see the tiny figure of Lincoln sitting inside the memorial, an extraordinary design element for such a small coin. On the top of the coin is the inscription, United States of America, beneath which is the phrase, E pluribus unum, meaning, out of many, one, highlighting the unity of the states. At the bottom, the denomination, 1 cent, is boldly written. Together, the inscriptions and the memorial symbolize national unity, democratic values, and respect for historical leadership. In terms of physical composition, the 1987 penny is made of 97.5% zinc and 2.5% copper plating. This composition was introduced after 1982, when rising copper prices made solid copper pennies too expensive to produce. Because of this change, the 1987 penny is much lighter than earlier decades cents. It weighs 2.5 grams, has a diameter of 19.05 millimeters, and features a smooth edge. Although its face value is only 1 cent, the shift from copper to zinc was a major moment in U.S. mint history, and collectors often focus on differences between copper and zinc cents when studying long-term changes in the Lincoln series. The mintage numbers for 1987 pennies were high, making them common in circulation. The Philadelphia Mint produced hundreds of millions of 1987 pennies, while the Denver Mint also struck a large number of 1987 D coins. Because of this, most 1987 pennies have minimal monetary value unless they are in exceptional condition, such as mint state grades Mississippi 65 and above, or exhibit rare minting errors. Some mistakes collectors look for include off-center strikes, double dies, die cracks, misaligned dies, or plating bubbles that sometimes appear on zinc-based coins. These errors can increase value for enthusiasts who search for unusual coins in everyday pocket change. When discussing historical background, 1987 was a year when the U.S. Mint had fully transitioned to modernized minting techniques. The master hubs, dies, and plating processes were improved to produce more consistent and cleaner details on coins. At the same time, the Lincoln Memorial reverse had been in use for nearly 3 decades, becoming deeply familiar to the American public. Economically, the penny remained widely used in cash transactions, and debates about its future had begun, as inflation made the purchasing power of 1 cent very small. Still, the penny held strong cultural importance, especially for collectors and historians who appreciated the long legacy of the Lincoln design. From a collector's perspective, the 1987 penny is easy to find but still valuable for those creating year-based collections, mint-mark sets, or Lincoln cent albums. Coins that are uncirculated, shiny, and free from scratches or spots are considered more desirable. Original rolls, mint-sealed sets, or proof coins from 1987 can also have higher value. While the regular circulation strike of 1987 is not rare, it represents an important chapter in the late 20th century evolution of American coinage. In conclusion, the 1987 United States 1-cent coin is a meaningful piece of history that continues the long tradition of the Lincoln cent series. With its familiar portrait of Abraham Lincoln, detailed image of the Lincoln Memorial, and modern zinc-based composition, it reflects both historical legacy and evolving mint technology. For collectors, students, and enthusiasts, the 1987 penny stands as a reminder of America's heritage and the enduring value of small but significant coins.